Alright, it's full video time. This is a Sears 600 in-wall heater. I don't know a whole lot about it. That sound you hear is actually the GMC furnace for our central air. It is not hooked. This is not hooked to gas because it had the gas line had a leak and we had it disconnected. But I figured I'd make a video on it, and I can take the panel off here. It's actually got the tag, which is a little hard to see. Let me get my flashlight on real quick. All right, we have flash on now. Fan type vented wall furnace right there. Equipped for natural gas and 50,000 BTUs for maximum and 37,500 for normal. And minimum actually is blank. Not sure why, but who knows. I can show you like all up in here, and I'll even get the back side since it sticks out on the other side of the wall. Right there. I'm not exactly sure how old it is. I think 77, but I'm not 100% positive on that. If I figure it out, it'll be in the video title. But I actually believe you can see the fan motor from here, but that's kind of hard to see with the camera. And it does have, let me put this back first. It does have a wall thermostat right here. I have a picture that I took of it off this. Let me see if I can get it. There we go. You can actually see the mercury right in there. This little tube. Sears, all that. All right, there's your temperature. 77 3D it seems. Your power. Figured it'd be cool, quick heating type video since I haven't really got a whole lot yet. Sears in-wall heater, and I'll go record the back of this right here because it's just on the other side and I have access. But it is going to be loud because the GMC furnace is running. But I'll record it. It smells a bit like gas back here. We had to have the flex replaced on the water heater at 1.2, and it seems like it's from 2008. But here's the back of this, and I just realized they've actually connected the vent from the furnace with this furnace right here. I'm hoping that's the exhaust for the furnace right here. I'm pretty sure it is. But here's the back side of the Sears furnace. And here's some ceiling fans that I've been slowly replacing throughout the house. Saved 3 of them because they actually still work. I did a couple wires, but I can always fix them up. But yeah, those might be for another video come spring. Yeah, that's it for this video. See you in the next one.